Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basic. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to add a template in Canva. First, open the browser. Now on the search bar, type in www.canva.com. This is the homepage of the Canva, and here on the search bar, type in the template name that you want to create. For example, you can search for email signature. Now here you can see different templates that are available in this Canva, and here if you see this crown logo, it says that it is only available in the Canva Pro version. So if you don't have a Canva Pro, you can make sure that you are choosing the free template. For example, you can choose this template, and here you can see customize this template. Now here it will automatically add the template and you can edit the information from here. This is it for today's video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you. Hello.